Pick up a kit at the library to make origami from discarded book pages. Take your book page and fold it in half diagonally. If you have a preference for a certain side of the page, you start with your design face down. What's folded in the middle here will be on the inside. Then unfold it and fold it in half diagonally the other way. It might seem like I'm taking a long time for these very simple folds, but it's important that you get these early steps very precise or it'll adversely affect your design later on. Now open the page and fold it horizontally with your desired print on the outside. Open the page again and fold it vertically or the other way in half. Push the edges of your page in to fold in an X or into a square laying flat. Laying the square flat with the openings at the bottom, fold the top flap in half towards the middle. Repeat this step on the left side, making sure that your folds are symmetrical. Turn your design over and then repeat those same steps, folding the flaps in half. Each folded flap should align with the folded flap underneath it. Take the triangle above your folded flaps and fold it over in each direction. Open the flaps you just folded and open the page up, folding the creases in, laying the diamond shape flat. Here I'm making sure that my folds are straight and symmetrical. Now repeat that same opening step on the other side. The next folds are a little bit smaller, so I'll show you closer up. Take your new side flap and fold it in half towards the center. Repeat this step on the other side. Flip your design over and repeat those steps, folding the flaps in towards the middle. Once again, the flaps on the front and the back of the design should line up. Now fold the flaps on the right and the left side in towards each other. Pinch them together and repeat on the other side. Press your design so it lays flat in this direction. Fold these long bottom flaps up on each side so that the bottom aligns with the other part of the design. When the bottoms are all even with each other, pinch the design together. Fold the wide flaps out as you fold the smaller triangle in on itself in half. Do this on each side. Once pressed flat, pull the smaller inner triangle gently outward. This will be your head and your tail. The side flaps are your wings, so bend these out horizontally. Decide which end you would like to be your head, and then bend the tip of that triangle over. Here I'm pinching the head together to give it a more angular beak. You can spread the wings out further so that it stands up easier. For more origami designs, check out some of the origami books we have in the library. Share your creations with us on the library's social media.